If you are new to our channel and have not subscribed it, then click the subscribe button and ring this notification bell to never miss our videos.
Hello friends, welcome back to Wikidroid, and today I'm going to teach you how you can copy your Android phone screen into your computer and control it with your PC. Okay, that's not going to be very hard, so let's work it out. In the first step, you need your computer a USB cable that you will find with your charging adapter with the phone while buying, and developer options turned on Android phone. Okay, if you are not a developer, then you can turn it on by going to settings, about phone, then tapping your bill number many times until you get a developer options in the settings. And if you are on Android Audio or later, then you will find the settings into the system settings, then the build number. That's all, and that's much thing you need now. So let's go to the second step.
In the first step, you must download the ScreenCopy zip from the description in the first link, and I must tell you must download the latest version so it can fix some bugs if you find it. And now let's look for where you have kept it. This one is this ScreenCopy zip, and let's extract it. I have already extracted in the ScreenCopy folder. Here it is. And also you need to download the latest ADB driver for your Android smartphone that you're gonna copy, and I have already done it. So you can search for that on the Google, like your device name and composite ADB driver. You can add this to find it. This one or any Android device driver can do it, I think so, but you must go for your own smartphone's ADB driver that you will find on Google. Okay, let's I must tell that this all ScreenCopy thing is made by an XDA developer, and hats off to him. And if anything that goes wrong with your smartphone, I'm not responsible for that. Okay, now let me connect my phone to the PC through USB cable, and I have inserted it. Now it's going to recognize. Yes, you don't need to get this dialog box, cancel it. Now look for the folder that you have extracted, and this is my ScreenCopy folder that I have extracted from ScreenCopy zip. But before opening that, tap your start button. Now type here the device manager and open it. Now here you will find many devices and drivers installed in your computer, but you need to see if your Android phone is properly installed its ADB driver, that's ADB composite driver. Now minimize it for now. Now you have to turn on your developer options on your phone, otherwise it's not gonna copy your screen. So watch this one to know about it.
Now go to your settings. Then since I'm a developer, let me show you. As you type build number, and I am a developer, now you get the developer options here. You need to turn it on. It has many settings. You can watch this video from the cards to know more about this developer options. Now tap this USB debugging to copy your screen in your computer. Now you'll get a prompt here. You need to allow to debug the computer to control your Android phone like this. Now tap OK. Now it's done for your. No, you don't need now your Android phone. Keep it aside with connected with the USB cable to computer.
Yes, now you can see that the driver has been correctly installed and it has recognized my Samsung device. It might be installed automatically if you connect the device for the first time through USB, through Windows update. It depends on your computer, so let's minimize it. If you want, you can keep it, and let's go to the step 3. Here tap the extracted folder, and again, and since I'm in Windows 7, you must click the shift button and right click to open this open command window here option. Now this opens up, and actually you need only one command to start your screen copy. I would recommend you to also use this command, that is ADB devices list, that gonna show how many or how if the device is correctly connected. Okay, like this one. Yes, it is connected properly. Now let's type the scrcpy. This is the command you need to use to start the screen copy option, and now tap it. First check if it is okay. The first one it's not worked. Let's type it again. You must check if it's connected properly, okay, otherwise it's not gonna work. Let's tap it. Okay, sorry, my device's USB was loose, so it is not connected now. Let's tap it, and now okay, cancel, enter. It's gonna start. Yes, ippy. Yes, it started. It's almost look like your phone, only your screen, because it you are streaming in a video format of your phone, but not like cast screen that you find in TV. But you can control it with your PC also. Okay, that's a good option here. If you have not less charge, then you can use this trick, or also in a big screen you can play. And thanks guys for watching. Please like and also share and subscribe us, okay, for this type of videos. So bye guys.